QuestMark, a nationally recognized leader in the flooring industry, is a full-service industrial and commercial flooring company specializing in polymer flooring systems and polished floor surfaces. Since 1968, we have provided solutions ranging from completely installed floor systems to support of in-house maintenance staffs with our products. QuestMark's 2000 series plastic mortar is ideal for repairing holes, rough, spalled, or damaged concrete floors. Plastic mortars are made from only the finest quality polymer resins and a unique blend of specially graded aggregates. The products offer superior wear characteristics to heavy traffic and resistance to impacts and heavy abrasion. In addition, QuestMark's highly trained flooring crews are available for total turnkey resurfacing projects. Plastic mortar is the permanent heavy-duty way to patch or resurface damaged concrete floors. Plastic mortar's quick cure formulas make it ideal for use in areas with limited downtime. Plastic mortar can also be used as a resurfacer to smooth over large floor areas. This line of products provides durable, seamless surfaces that will withstand repeated cleaning, thermal shock, and chemical attack. Dirt and debris on a polished floor acts as an abrasive that will dramatically reduce the aesthetics of a polished surface if not removed through a proper maintenance program. An organic non-flammable detergent and conditioner formulated specifically for the deep cleaning and conditioning of polished concrete floors is used in all of our cleaning equipment for aftercare as well as throughout the construction process. QuestMark offers both our Diamond Quest cleaner and conditioner as well as our Dirt Magnet Plus. Both have been designed for the proper maintenance of a polished surface as well as to give you a superior cleaning product. QuestMark offers a complete line of complementary products specifically designed for the maintenance and ongoing polishing of your existing flooring. Our in-house representatives can provide training on best practices as well as products such as QuestMark's Max Life abrasive brushes for your daily cleaning of your auto scrubbers, diamond impregnated pads for continual polishing, stain guard products, and anti-slip applications. Contact us today to find out more about the proper care and maintenance of your commercial flooring.